So we are going to do some demo on the stairs. See how you enjoy this time lapse. And that is what we call a demo of the stairs. Sorry for the shaky camera. I'm not on gimbal right now. Carpet is gone. Next, railings, risers, and treads. Hopefully be doing those very soon. See you next time. Alright, so you'll see some paint cans there that's blocking there because there's still some varathane that is drying. But, quick new railing, turn this light on. Hey, electricity is a wonderful thing, isn't it? Alright, so we'll move over this way. As you can see, this is considerably better than the before pictures. I think they have done an amazing job. Just not enough light here, eh? I just can't win. Anyway, so we'll go up here. You can see everything that we've got from down below. And then we can take a walk up the stairs. Did a great job staining. Spindles look amazing. Excuse the rest of the mess up here because we're still in the middle of the renovations for upstairs, but I'm very happy with the results so far. These new posts are awesome. Yeah, I know. You guys can't see them, right? Hold on. Let's see if I can remedy that for you. That's what the new posts look like. And of course these beautiful spindles. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed that. We have plenty more to come yet. You will see it all very soon. More hardwood to be installed. It never ends.